In this video, we're going to go over the top scooters on the market in 2025, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm Alex from Marcs Mobility. In this video, we're going to go over our top picks for scooters for 2025. Now, that doesn't mean that these are always going to be the exact best fit for you, so we do recommend you giving us a call. We'd love to speak with you, and then we can best fit and make sure it is going to be the best product for your needs. Once again, these are all going to have links below in the description, and then we're going to have more overview that will have videos and more pictures of the products in the links below. So if you do like one, click on one of the links below to learn more about the items. The first category that we're going to go over is going to be the folding and travel type scooter. Now on my list for this is going to be the Elite Traveler 2 Platinum. So this is one of the newer release products here in this year. This does make a great gift idea for somebody as well, because this scooter here is going to have a really small turning radius. It is going to be portable, and it is going to be in that mid 35-pound range when the unit comes apart. It is going to be airline approved, and it does have some of the newer features like the magnetic charge that's starting to come out on some of the newer Pride products on the market. So if you're in the market for something that is going to be a great airline approved portable scooter, go ahead and take a look at the Elite Traveler 2 Platinum by Pride Mobility. Now on my list is going to be truly portable folding is going to be a GoGo Super Portable, and the reason why it's a little bit different is the first one comes apart in a few pieces that I mentioned. The Super Portable is actually one where the seat folds down and the tiller, which is your driving mechanism, folds down, so it's all in one piece. So this is really useful for people that don't want to spend the time of taking the few components apart. It is a little bit more expensive than the first Elite Traveler 2 that we showed you, but there are some benefits to having the unit together and not having to take it apart. It is going to be about 49 pounds with the battery in the unit, but the battery comes out very easily. It takes about 2 seconds to pull the battery out, and it drops the weight just a little bit under 42 pounds. You can also stand this up, and it has anti-tip wheels in the back. You can roll it to your bumper, put a blanket on it, and pivot it, and then you're probably only lifting about 20 pounds to put it in the back of your vehicle. It is going to be airline approved as well, so if you are traveling and you are going to be taking any Ubers or Lyfts, it is going to be a very easy thing to have somebody help you take and slide into the back of almost any vehicle. Now there is another product that fits really well in this category as well of the folding portable type units. It is going to be the Carry-On HD by Golden Technologies. Now the reason why this is not my first mention is because this is more for that 300 to 400 pound weight capacity. The GoGo Super Portable only had a 300 pound capacity, but the downside to the Carry-On HD is it is a heavier unit in that 70 pound range. Now you still can stand it up on the anti-tip wheels, use a bumper, and then probably only lift about half of that weight. But if you are just physically trying to lift it up, it is a heavier unit, but it is built very, very well. It is a similar concept where the seat folds down, the tiller comes down, so you can keep it all together in one piece. It's also going to be airline approved as well, so if you're over that 300 pound weight capacity but under 400 pounds, then the Carry-On HD would be a fantastic item to look at. The next category we're going to go over is going to be full-size scooter. Now full-size scooter, in my opinion, the best in the market is going to be the LX Sport by Pride Mobility. Now this unit has been out for many years, over 5 years, and it's been our most popular selling scooter. It is number one on my list in this category due to the price point and what you get for that price point. It's going to be somewhere in that middle $2,000 price point range, but it is going to have full suspension. It's going to have a high back seat. It's going to have a strong motor. It's going to have 8 miles an hour in overall speed, and it's going to get you somewhere in that 15 to 20 mile drive distance range. So based on that, you also get headlights, you get tail lights. So they really punched a lot into a unit. And so I believe the LX Sport is the best by far full-size scooter still currently on the market today. Next category we're going to go is heavy duty. So this is going to have up to a 500 pound weight capacity. This is going to be the Golden Companion HD. Now this scooter has many benefits. It does come with a really nice wide 22-inch seat. It is only in a 3-wheel version currently, but this unit does have a really high ground clearance. It has plenty of leg room. It's a very easy adjustable tiller to bring that a little bit closer to when you're driving around. So once again, it does have larger tires, strong motors. So it's not the fastest. I think it's somewhere in that 6 mile an hour range, but it does still have a good power and performance. And it's also going to be very stable. There are anti-tip wheels underneath the unit as well. So don't worry because we say a 3-wheel scooter. I love three-wheel scooters because they have a better turning radius and you have more leg room, and I just want to notate that this is a very stable unit as well. The next category we're going to go over is going to be all-terrain. So really nothing else compares on the market to the Baja Wrangler 2 Med by Pride Mobility. Now this is a unit that is large. It's not going to be something you're using inside. So once again, this is going to be strictly an outdoor type scooter due to the overall size of the unit, but it's got large pneumatic tires. They're tall, they're wide. So now what makes this special is each of the rear wheels has a strong motor tied to it. It is about 22 to 2300 watts each motor. So it's going to translate to about 7 horsepower for a mobility scooter. And they did just classify it as an FDA Class 2 medical device, so it is medically coded, which was a big deal on the market due to some sales tax implications in different states. But once again, you are going to have a high ground clearance, plenty of power. So if you really want to go almost anywhere besides maybe like super soft sand on the beach, which is kind of a different segment, then the Pride Mobility Wrangler 2 Med is by far the best on this list. And the last category we're going to go over is going to be fast mobility scooters. So Dash Moto is the #1 on this list. It does go up to 18 miles an hour. It is a carbon fiber three-wheel scooter that is innovated to drive and kind of feel like a sports motorcycle. The actual owner of this company used to race the Ducati motorcycles and he got in an accident, so he wanted to design a scooter that the wheels would be turned inwards a little bit. It does give you a lot of grip. It is a little bit more of a higher price point, but then there are 3 different speed profiles on there, but we get a lot of calls of what do you have that's going to be good, fast, portable. It's very lightweight because it's hand-laid carbon fiber, so there's really nothing else on the market that comes close to this. So if you're looking for speed and you want to look in performance and you want to just look stylish, go ahead and take a look at the Dash Moto. So once again, this video is just going to go over our top picks of scooters here currently in 2025. That does not mean that all of these are going to work exactly for your needs. So once again, feel free to look through the videos that we have. Give us a call. We would love to speak with you.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you and have a wonderful day.